Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are all fine. This is an English lecture, class 8 and lesson 1. Our topic is tolerance of the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. Today we solve the exercise of lesson 1. So come to page number 4. In this lecture we will solve the question number D, that is fill in the blanks with suitable words from the text. Point 1. Dash means to bear pain or hardships with patience. It means tolerance means to bear pain or hardships with patience. Point number 2. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam is a model of tolerance. Point number 3. Hazrat Aisha said that the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam never took revenge upon anyone. And the fourth one is the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam went to Taif to preach Islam. Option fifth. In his last address, the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam said, "Revenge for bloodshed is forbidden." This is our fill in the blanks. And next question is question number F. Question number F. Change the following sentences into negative and interrogative. के नीचे दिए गए सवालों में से जुमलों को नेगेटिव मनफी और हमने सवालिया बनाना है. Here is an example, that is the first sentence is he purchased a book. उसने एक किताब खरीदी. He did not purchase a book. This is negative sentence. And did he purchase a book? It is an interrogative sentence. How to solve this exercise? First of all, we will have to make sure that in which tense these sentences belong to. So come to here in this page. Here we come to know that this sentence is of past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense. Example, he purchased a book. How we get that? From where it belongs? From the form of verb. Subject he is subject, and purchased is the second form of the verb, and then a book is an object. Here we use second form of the verb, and in past indefinite tense second form of the verb is used. यानी past indefinite tense में second form of the verb इस्तेमाल होती है. And in negative sentence, he did not purchase a book. Did not comes and then first form of the verb. यानी नेगेटिव में did not आया और साथ ही फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज़ करने के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट लगा दिया गया. नेक्स्ट, इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस से इस एग्जाम्पल के इंट्रोगेटिव मतलब सवालिया जुमले में डिड शुरू में आया. डिड ही परचेज आ बुक विथ क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्या उसने एक किताब खरीदी? Then a question comes to our mind that if it is past indefinite tense and these sentences belong to past indefinite tense, either it is affirmative, negative or interrogative, then how can we change affirmative sentences into negative and interrogative? Here Here is an answer that mostly whenever we have to make sure that in which tense these sentences belong to, we confirm the tense and then we have to follow the rules and regulations. Here in past indefinite tense, when we make a chain of sentence, we use did as helping verb. हम did को helping verb के तौर पर इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Then we use first form of verb with the helping verb. यानी did के बाद हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. did प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. यानी कि हम ये तो जान चुके हैं कि इसके अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस में सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज़ होती है. तो जब हमने इसको नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट करना है तब हम डिड के साथ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज़ कर लेते हैं. चेन फॉर नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. चेन फॉर नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस यानी मनफी जुमले बनाने के लिए हम कौन सी चेन यानी कौन सा रूल इस्तेमाल करते हैं या किस तरीके से हम चलते हैं. तो सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट प्लस डिड नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. Subject come first and then helping verb plus not. Whenever we want to make negative sentences, then always we use helping verb plus not. And here the helping verb is did plus not and first form of verb plus object. This is a rule to make negative sentence of past indefinite tense. And then interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences mean सवालिया जुमले. And here is also a chain for interrogative sentences. And here in all types of interrogative sentences, in all tense, whenever we make interrogative sentence, then the helping verb always comes first. And here helping verb is at the top या in front. Did plus subject plus first form of verb plus object and question mark. Okay students, you have learned the rules how to make negative sentences and how to make interrogative sentences. Now it's time to implement these rules in these sentences. First example is Aslam worked hard to complete the न्यू प्रोजेक्ट. असलम वर्कड हार्ड. असलम सख्त मेहनत करता है अपना न्यू प्रोजेक्ट या अपना काम कंप्लीट करने के लिए. वर्कड इज सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. देन आई कन्वर्टेड द अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस इनटू नेगेटिव. असलम, हियर कम्स असलम. दिस इज आवर सब्जेक्ट दैट ऑलवेज कम्स फर्स्ट. एंड देन वी यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस नॉट. Helping verb plus not, that is did not. And first form of verb is here worked, work. Aslam did not work hard to complete the new project. And our negative sentence is completed. And interrogative sentence. Here in this chain of sentence, we know that helping verb comes first. And here helping verb comes first. Did Aslam work hard to complete the new project? Did subject, did helping verb, Aslam subject, work first form of verb and hard to complete the new project. And the remaining sentence is here and then question mark. Come to second example. He sold mangoes. Subject verb object. कि वो आम बेचता है, वो आम बेचता था. He did not, helping verb plus not. He did not sold, first form sell. He did not sell mangoes. And did he sell mangoes? This is interrogative and negative sentences. Third example, Numan wrote a book. Numan एक किताब लिखता था. Numan did not write a book. Subject, helping verb plus not, first form of verb and object. Very simple. And then, did Numan write a book? Helping verb, subject, first form of verb and a book, object, and then question mark. 4. He fought bravely. वो लड़ा बहादुरी से, यानी कि वो बहादुरी से लड़ा. Here we know that here in this sentence there is no object, and we use subject, helping verb, not, first form of verb, and then adverb. He did not fight bravely. Did he fight bravely? Example 5. He showed great tolerance. उसने बहुत सब्र व तहम्मुल का मुजाहिरा किया. He did not, first form of helping verb plus not, and showed, first form of verb of showed is show. He did not show great tolerance. And did he show great tolerance? And negative and interrogative sentences are completed. Okay students, our first lesson has been completed. If you find any type of mistake, please leave your comments.